Hello, Jordan here from Tools for Sparks. Welcome back to the channel, and today I have some really interesting workwear to talk to you about today. These are my go-to trousers that I use for work on a day-to-day basis. So before we jump into the video, hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, because I post videos here regularly all about electricians' tools and other relevant products for electricians. So these are the Snickers 6241 all-round work stretch trousers with holster pockets. 6241 is the number you need if you want to order them. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you know where to find them. And these are not cheap, but they are fantastic. So I'm going to open these up and show you a few of their features. So as I said, 6241 all-round work stretch trousers with holster pockets. You've got some of the features highlighted on here. So number one, you've got the sliders for the knee pads. So in the front here, I'll show you. You've got these, wrong side, there we go. These knee guard sections. And literally this is velcroed and the knee pads slide in from the top. Now why this is so important is that when you have knee pads that slide in from the bottom, what tends to happen is they work their way out over time, but these ones don't. So you can get these great knee pads. I'll just show you as an example here. These are actually Dickies ones, but I've lost my Snickers ones for some reason. But they fit the same, so if you've got some existing knee pads from some previous trousers, you can use them. And they literally just slide in like this, just work their way down. It's hard to do when you've not actually got the trousers on, but basically the knee pads slide in like that, and then it just velcros shut. And you've got great protection there for your knees. This is so important as an electrician because we are often kneeling down, and if you're not careful you can really do your knees in by just repetitively kneeling on hard floors, or if it's wet outside and you're kneeling on the ground, for example, you can get moisture start to seep into your knees, and eventually it will give you arthritis and rheumatism problems and stuff like that. So always good to have some nice, good quality trousers with knee pads. Now these have got loads of great pockets on as well, so I'll talk you through some of the pockets and holsters and things. You've got these little holsters here which do actually open up, so you can put a hammer in there, for example, and just hang that off. You could even clip your Makita on there and hang it off there if you want to. You've got a little pocket here which you can fit your pencils or pens in. And that's got this little opening here as well for shorter bits and pieces, so that's quite handy. The main feature of these trousers really is the fact that they're so stretchy, so it just makes them super comfortable. They're made of this stretch material in certain places, so like here around the crotch, for example, they're very stretchy, and it just makes them a lot more flexible. They're made of really high quality material. Again, at the back here, this whole section at the back of the thigh is completely stretchy. So it's really, really flexible, and it just means that it gives you a lot more freedom of movement. You've got the holster pockets here as well. So I'll just show you those. Tucked into the main pockets here, you've got these like holster pockets which you can put your tools in. So you've got a main flap here which you can put lots of different tools and bits and pieces in, and then you've got some smaller flaps here. I tend to use these to put drill bits in, pencils, screwdrivers, things like that. So you can hang quite a lot of tools off, and then obviously underneath that you've got your normal pockets here as well, and exactly the same on the other side. You've got a holster pocket and then a normal pocket, so that's on the front. Then lower down You've got these holster pockets as well, so you've actually got tons and tons of pockets of varying sizes, and they're just ideal for carrying around all the bits and pieces that you need while you're working. On the side here, the other side, so you've got the back pockets here, so nice big back pockets as well, which again you can use to store things on your person while you're wandering around site. And on the top, if we look at the actual belt holster, really nice solid belt loops all the way round, and they're actually enclosed here. These ones have Velcro, so you can slide a belt behind, but you can also open that up and you can attach other things on there with this Velcro. Again, a nice closed belt loop here, working all the way around, and the Velcro here at the front as well. This is the Cordura fabric. It's called special fabric that's used by Snickers. As I say, they're not cheap, but they will last a long time. They're really comfortable and they look smart, and that's why these are my go-to trousers now. I've got about 6 pairs of these which I use, and I just rotate. I change my trousers, work trousers every day, because I like to arrive on site looking clean for the customers and presentable. I think it makes a good impression. I'll leave links in the description so that you can buy yourself some of these. It's got all the information that you need to know. Definitely worth getting yourself a pair if you're in the market for some new work trousers. So have a look on Amazon and get yourself some of these. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and share it with someone else who could enjoy it. Have a great day.